Tonight I'm with my grandma in hospital for her brain tumor treatment. I will spend just one night here. Currently it's 10 p.m. so I'm just doing my design project in the couch and some client works. Let me show you my first Maldivian typography. It's interesting because it's gonna be a great experience, and guess what? My client approved it. At this point of time, I want to sleep, but I cannot because it's in hospital, right? It's not comfy. The next day, I wake up and I feel like I want to eat pizza. I always eat the whole pizza first and then left this crisp on the edge. It's nice. So it's almost 9 p.m. and I'm currently doing this packaging design that I want to print tomorrow. I will show you guys how I fold it. Let me show you a little tour. Packaging I made in my Illustrator currently. This is the bagel box. Really love it because it's green and it's like you are presenting the shade of greens. And then this one that I will be printing tomorrow. I really love my typography and my illustration here. Also this one.